All right, so here's where we're at. I can get it, pull up water. To 100, and I can get it to shoot. I am getting a little bit of leaking. That the resin piece I cast is not perfectly fitting the tube, so I'll have to do probably some lapping or sanding on that and get it to fit better. Not sure I'll do that without pressure, but it's doing its thing. And then I can get it all the way empty. Staying on one, still got some water in there. Interesting. That's probably because the bladder's stretching out before it stretches forward. Now it's actually empty. And then I should be able to drain it. For storage. New bladder, new resin tip. Attempt 1 with both successful.